Welcome to the Gyan Ketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Shrivastava, and today we will review the chapter network. Networking, that means network related to the computer network, in which computers and peripheral devices are connected together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. All the computers can communicate to each other as well as independently. All the computers within a network are called the node. Different advantages of network are preserving information, reduction in hardware cost. Single device can be attached to the multiple computer. It reduces the cost of hardware. Similarly, when we install the software in one computer, all the connected computer can access it. So it also reduces the hardware cost. Efficiency. In a network, deletion, modification and updation can be done at the single point. Redundancy. That means we can avoid the duplicacy. Now the networking components. First is the network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer within a network. And the network Ethernet card is most commonly used network card. Networking cable. Networking cable is used to connect the computers within a network, and a RJ45 connector is used with the cable at the both end of the cable to connect the system, connect the device within a network. You can see your set-top box, the best example. That connector used, that is called the RJ45 connector. Hub and switches. Network cards are used to send and receive the data being used over the Ethernet cable. Switches and hubs are used to connect multiple computers within a network, where switch and hub act as a central point of connection for all the computers on a network. Every computer plugs into the hub and switch. There is the port where one cable is connected to the client computer and the another end is connected to the switch. Now the different types of network. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. That means only the single computer. Now the LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is operated in a small area within campus or a building, and its area is very small, so can be connected through the cables. Next is the MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network, since it covers a city. It is spread across a city, that's why it is called metropolitan. The most common example of MAN is the cable network. Next is the WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network, where computers are connected through satellite signals and the microwave signals. Now we can see network architecture. Network architecture is the design of computer network that describes how a computer are configured and being used in it. There are two types of computer network architecture. Client server, where one is the master computer. It contains all the hardware and the software, and client computer is the connected computer. They can avail all the facility to the server computer. In the peer-to-peer network, all the computers have the equal capacity and capability to use the resources available on the network. Now we will see the network topology. Network topology, that means the layout in which various components of a network are connected and communicate with each other. It can be connected physically or the logically. Physically connected, that means physical layout of the nodes and the cables within a network. And the logical topology, that means how the information flows between the different components. That is called network topology. Now we will see different types of network topology. First is the bus topology. This topology uses a single communication line or the main cable to which all the nodes are directly connected. Now it can transmit the data only in one direction. In this type of structure, one of the computer in the network acts as a server computer that provide data to all the clients. Now the star topology. In the star topology, every device is connected to the central computer using point-to-point connection. The central server acts as a hub. Star topology is very popular because the startup cost is low. If we devise any of the device, its setup will not be disturbed. But if the hub is disturbed, then entire network will be stopped. Now the mesh topology. Mesh topology in which all the computers are connected with every other computer. In this topology, every node not only sends its own signals but also relay data from the other nodes. Now the ring topology. In the ring topology, all the nodes in a network are connected in a circular manner. Each node connects two other nodes and they can transfer the data among each other using their neighboring nodes. Tree topology. Tree topology is the most common network setup where it is connected through in which it is just like the branches of tree. In a tree network, a cable failure is one of the star network will isolate the other workstation that is linked to the central computer of that only the workstation. If the central computer goes down, the entire workstation connected to it will suffer. Now, there are some questions given. You have to do this work in your computer copy.